Hobbled by, Unveiled. Grasping the essence. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very interesting English phrase, hobbled by. If you've ever been puzzled by this expression, you're in the right place. Let's demystify its meaning and usage together. Historically, a hobble is a device that restricts the movement of an animal, like a horse, by tying two of its legs together. When an animal is hobbled, it can't run or move quickly. It can only take short steps. In this context, hobbled by literally refers to being restricted or restrained in movement. Over time, the term hobbled by has taken on a more figurative meaning in English. Instead of referring to the physical restriction of movement, it now often describes any situation where someone or something is held back or prevented from performing at their best. For instance, if a company is hobbled by debt, it means the company is struggling because of the debt it owes. Or, if someone is hobbled by self-doubt, it means their own lack of confidence is holding them back. To better understand, let's look at a few examples. 1. The athlete, once unbeatable, was now hobbled by age. 2. Meaning, the athlete's age is now restricting his performance. 3. The project was hobbled by a lack of funds. 4. Meaning, the project couldn't progress smoothly because there wasn't enough money. 5. She felt hobbled by her lack of experience in the field. 6. Meaning, her lack of experience was a disadvantage in her profession. Knowing synonyms can help you grasp the essence even better. Some synonyms for hobbled by include hampered by, restrained by, hindered by, limited by. Each of these convey a sense of being held back or restricted in some way. There you have it. Now you know what hobbled by means, both literally and figuratively. It's a beautiful phrase that captures the essence of being restrained or held back. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage for you. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.